This packaging is life. Oh. I love the pink packaging here, living for that, love it, love it. Hi guys, so for today's video I have one that I've been excited about for months. Since the spoilers were released for this box, I've just been so excited. So it is the Lush February Kitchen box. I'm so excited. I remember the spoilers. I do remember it's a very pink, fruity looking, right up my street box. I've seen a couple pop up on Instagram, but I've quickly flicked off before I've paid too much attention. So hopefully this will be a nice surprise for both of us. I did stick with the shower box again this month. I think next month I do actually have a bath box coming, so I think this is the last shower box for now. So let's open it up and have a look. There's probably going to be a lot of oh and squealing in this video, so be prepared. Ooh. Oh, that's precious. So you've got your little card. I love these cards. I think they're so cute. That is, what is that, a little... Oh, it's the Lush Kitchen. Oh, it says fresh. We've got the Lush Kitchen. We've got your fresh fruits and such. So it says, and then you've got your writing on the back. It says, get swept off your feet. Love is in the air and we're serving up a sweet menu of cheeky delights for bath, shower and body. Oh, and then it's telling you the stuff. I do this every month. I read that and then I'm like, oh no, it's spoiling the product, so I can't actually read it for you. Then we have the little bit of paper that says what's in there, which we ignore as well. And let's dig in. I'm so excited. Okay, so first up we have the sticky banana exclusive kitchen body wash. I love anything like banana scented. You've no freaking idea. This packaging is life. I'm living for it. Anything pink, I'm sorry, I'm just a little girl. I love pink. I love anything cutesy. Ooh. So it's literally banana coloured. It's yellow. And of course it's a body wash. I didn't really think. I thought it'd be sloppy. I don't know why. But body washes generally are the sort of firmer. Extremely mild. I can smell a smidge of banana. I'm assuming it's probably just obviously fresh banana in here. I don't know. Oh, there is no banana in it. Okay, so you've got glycerin, oat infusion, coconut cream, date syrup, and then you've got like your other bits like perfume and such, which I'd assume would have banana fragrancing in it. I'm gonna have to come back and sniff this. I don't want to not keep it. I was really excited for that. But realistically, if I can't smell it... Ooh. Okay, let's move on. Hopefully the rest is better. Sent me the wrong box. I didn't ask for bath. Oh no, this isn't happening. I know this is extremely sad, but there was a product that I really wanted that I did remember that isn't going to be in here now. I swear I didn't ask for the bath one. Oh, what a fucking nightmare. Let me check. Okay, turns out I'm the moron. I'm really annoyed with myself. Like, I'm really annoyed with myself. I desperately wanted the shower box for this one. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a bad day. I'm probably going to get emotional now. It's so stupid, isn't it? Because it had a yummy, yummy, yummy shower jelly in it that I really wanted. Oh, this is really irritating. Why did I do that? I literally looked at the text message I sent them and I was like, no, they must have made a mistake. But no, I've put, can I carry on with the regular box and cancel the shower one? Why would I put that? Okay, never mind. Let's embrace this box. I've got a bit of credit on my Vinted. I'll see if I can find it on there, I guess. Hopefully these are lovely. Got the bubble bar. I'm gonna have to have a look at the little piece of paper and see what it's called. I think it's called It's a Date. It is called It's a Date. So this is what it looks like. Extremely pretty. Very weighty bubble bar, which is nice. It's one of these little heavy suckers with a big old date on the front. Oh. Oh. What scent is this? It's very familiar. Is it Comforter? I don't know. It's a very sweet, berry-like scent. I've got a feeling it's the Comforter or something similar to that. Lovely. I like that. It's very nice bright pink, which is great. To be honest, I was going to end up hunting for these two products on Vinted anyway, so I've just got to hunt the other way around. I'm sure it'll be fine, although I am really worried that no one is going to have that shower jelly, and I was really excited for that shower jelly. Never mind. I'm a moron. I must have been having a bad day then too. It's not in my favour, is it? But that's stunning. Visually, I love that very much. We like it. Next up, we have a little soapy soap. Stunning. I don't know why, when I saw the spoilers, I thought it would be like a full soap, like two sides to it. But no, it is a little flat-backed one. And this is a raspberry milkshake soap. Ooh. That smells a little nostalgic to me as well. That scent is like giving me memories, I don't know why. In here you have your oils, you've got like rapeseed coconut, and you've got some almond milk, organic coconut oil again. So you've got raspberry juice, Davana, Sicilian lemon, fresh vanilla. Lovely. It is creamy, which is very nice. It's really familiar. It is creamy, and then it's got that little raspberry undertone. It's not really strong either, it's quite mild, which is nice. How lovely. Little stunner. We like the look of that one a lot. So yeah, this is full of oils. Like, it's giving massage bar, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it feels really nourishing, which is amazing. That's gonna be fantastic. Let's carry on looking what we've got. This is the bath bomb, because I do remember the bath box more than I remember the shower box. So we've got a little bath bomb. This is the what you called Mrs. Whippy bath bomb. I assume that is the scent of it as well. It's okay. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm sorry, this is such a depressing video, but this isn't what I wanted. I think I smelled Mrs. Whippy before. I don't remember it smelling like that. I remember it more vanilla-y. It's got a bit of a kick to it. So there's like cocoa in there, tonka, almond, boot chew. Okay. Like, it's got a vanilla-y creamy undertone, and then it's got a bit of a zing. I'm not a big fan of that, I won't lie. But I'm sure we'll use it, because will we use it or will we get rid of it? I don't know, because that doesn't look like it's going to produce much special, unless there's something in the middle, like a pink or something. I'm not too sure. And then lastly, what's in here? Sorry, I've just had to close the blind. It's doing that thing at 3 o'clock when the sun comes round. This video wasn't what I wanted it to be. I do apologise, guys. Lastly, we've got a Sweetie Pie perfume. I love the pink packaging here. Living for that. Love it, love it. I've started doing a thing, which I know I should have just done from the beginning, where I keep my perfumes in the packaging now. Ooh, this is pretty. Love it. Very visually cute. Sweetie Pie is a shower jelly that I believe also shares its scent with the comforter. So let's give it a bash. To me, that doesn't smell exactly like Sweetie Pie. So it says a rich and fruity fragrance bursting with blackcurrant and bergamot, simply darling. Yes, I'm certain it's the comforter. It's fruity and berry-like, but again, it has a little edge to it. I don't think this is just me. I'm not poorly or anything, I'm fine, so my nostrils are okay. I mean, it's okay. I don't know. That's not giving for me, unfortunately. So probably won't keep that either. Let's sniff the sticky banana again. Let's try that, shall we? Oh, for the love of God, seriously? Is this just me? I can't smell anything. I don't like being a moaner, I really don't, but I actually can't smell anything in that. Okay, so this really wasn't what I wanted it to be. I'm gonna double check again. I swear, I was so excited for this box. I feel like I wouldn't have slipped up and ordered a bloody bath one. Never mind. This isn't me in this video. I'm just in a foul mood today. So we've got two things we like. We've got a bubble bar and a soap. So yay. This is very nice. I like this one a lot. I want to keep this one though because it just looks really pretty. But 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Yep, so off I trot. I'll probably pop a couple of few of those bits on Vinted if you guys want to go grab them. If they're not gone already, I don't really know what time I'll pop them on. And then I'll hunt for the shower jelly, and I can't remember what else was in the box, but I feel like it's something I really wanted. I think it was a lotion or something, maybe. Was it? I don't know. But this just goes to show you can't win them all, and sometimes a box that you're really excited for doesn't live up to expectations. Like the minty box we had the other month, last month, that box I thought I was going to hate it. Bloody loved it. So you can't always win them all, can you? But I do like 2 of those products, so that is good. Do let me know what you guys liked out of the box, and if you disliked anything, I suppose. Do you agree with anything that I've got to say on these things? Because this isn't the strongest to me. I mean, I don't know if it's meant to be that mild. And then this, unfortunately to me, doesn't smell like Sweetie Pie / the Comforter. It's got too much of an odd zing to it for it to be similar for me personally. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. I'm always interested and I love chatting with you guys. I hope you guys have a better day than me. No, I'm joking. I love you all. I hope you have a really good day. Bye.